How to check for old Facebook post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on the gear icon. Now simply scroll down and find activity log. Then tap on it. Then tap on public post. Now tap on the filter icon. Then tap on date. Now tap on start date. Now select a start date and tap on OK. Again tap on end date. Then tap on OK. Then tap on done at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.